Hey guys, this is Sushma. Welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wall hanging with old or waste cardboard. So if you'd like to know the material that I have used for this project, do check out the description box below. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you guys have any queries, do let me know. I would be really glad to get back to you. And also guys, if you would like to order any gifts for your loved ones, do check out my page on Instagram. It is Craftastic by Eunice. I have dropped the link in the description box. Do check that out. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited shades of innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.